Welcome back. This ZP poll proved to be shocker for mega alliance formed to gain their bastions from conglomerate of opposition parties. Babush Monserrat, Vishwajit Rane and Babu Kaulekar gave a blow to MGP in Santa Cruz, Uzgaon and Barse. Junior Rane managed to win his candidates in 4 constituencies in Sattari, defeating BJP candidates, giving jolt to MLA Pramod Sawant. Babu Asgaonkar supported candidates won 2 seats from BJP's domain in Pedne. Ramesh Tavarkar lost his fortress Khola, Dilip Parlekar lost prestigious Sukur, and Penna de France seats to Rohan County.
MGP had registered over 6,000 members during membership drive in Santa Cruz just a month before ZP polls. But MGP's Disha Kavlekar lost to Savannah Arauzo, Babush Monserrat supported candidate. MGP even lost its prestigious Uzgaon Ganges seat to Vishwajit Rane supported candidate. In Barshe, MGP had toiled hard, but opposition MLA Babu Kavlekar succeeded in getting his candidate through. Deepak Kalangudkar is known to be a staunch supporter of CM Parsekar. This BJP candidate lost to Babu Asgaonkar supported Tukaram Harmalkar in Dhargad. Vishwajit Rane supported candidate won Paliye, Honda, Keri and Nagargaon seats. Paliye BJP candidate's defeat has shocked the incumbent MLA Pramod Sawant. BJP lost at Honda, Keri and Nagargaon, Rane's domain. Rohan County's candidates at Penn de France and Sukur defeated BJP candidates. Sukur BJP candidate's defeat has shocked Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar. Nuve MLA Miki Pacheco, partner of Mega Alliance, could not save ZP candidates in his own constituency. GVP candidate Marcelino Faria lost to independent candidate Wilfred Disa. Now GVP's elected candidates Nelly Rodriguez and Fatima Gaonkar also claim that they are independents and not Miki's candidates. Philip Neri Rodriguez, former Congress minister's candidate, won over candidate fielded by MLA Benjamin Silva. Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar's BJP candidate Krishna Velip lost to independent Shanu Velip in Khola, a jolt to incumbent government as Defence Minister Parikar had also campaigned in Khola. Besides this, BJP got a shocker in Latam Barse and Morji too. At most places, independents have shocked BJP and MGP. Vishwajit Rane, Babu Asgaonkar, Churchill Alemao, Philip Neri Rodriguez have succeeded in getting their candidates through while BJP is in power with a clear majority. Definitely vote a strong message for a party in power. Bureau Report Prudent.
ZP verdict has been a big blow for the Chief Minister, Sports Minister, Tourism Minister, BJP Sangathan Mantri, the big wig of Mega Alliance. CM could not retain Morjim seat. Srimati Manjrekar, an independent candidate, defeated BJP in Morjim. Shilpa Devu Naik lost to Naresh Sawal, supported Sanjay Shetye in prestigious Latam Barse. Tourism Minister lost high-profile Sukur to Rohan County's candidate. BJP has also not fared well in South Goa too. Sports Minister candidate lost to an independent in Khola. In Velim, MLA's candidate lost to an independent candidate.
ZP poll result has made big wigs of BJP sweat out. Results of few constituencies have shocked the BJP. Most shocking was the defeat of Morji candidate, CM's own Morji. His supported candidate Maya Shedgaonkar lost to an independent candidate, Srimati Manjrekar. Sangathan Mantri's Latam Barse candidate Shilpa Devu Naik lost to Naresh Sawal's candidate Sanjay Shetye.
बीजेपी विरुद्ध ऑल अदर्स अशें थोडेशें गणित जालें ही गजाल खरी आसा. कशें आसा लोकशाहीत 50 मतांनी 100 मतांनी सुद्धा म्हणजे अखेर गेलो हो गेलोच न्ही, पण मतांची बेरीज जर केली पेडण्याची जाल्यार आमी खूप फुडें आसात.
माझ्या मतदारांक मी खूप थँक्यू म्हणतात आणि त्यांचा भरा जावचा.
Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar, BJP Sangathan Mantri Satish Dhon has toiled hard for party candidate Shilpa Devu Naik. But people gave verdict in favor of all party candidate Sanjay Shetye, mainly backed by Naresh Sawal. MLA Sawal said that BJP spread terror in Latam Barse and Bicholi. People showed their wrath and worth through ballot to the party in power.
आयचो विजय जो आसा पळय तो सगळ्या लाटम बार्सेंतल्या जनतेचो विजय आसा. ज्या पद्दतीन दादागिरी चल्लेली, ज्या पद्दतीन घमेंडीशाही चल्लेली ती जर पळयत जाल्यार प्रत्येकाच्या मनान असंतोष खतखत्तालो. लोक उघडपणे दाखोवपाक भियेताले, पूण लोकशाहीच्या मार्गान लोक आपलो राग व्यक्त करपाक शकता आयज लाटम बार्सेच्या लोकांक दाखोवन दिल्ले आसा.
आमकां फक्त ह्या एकच कॅन्डिडेटाक न्हू आमकां कॅन्डिडेटाक उडोवंक जायना असो तर तांकां जो मत जालो आनी जो मत तुमी पळयलो आसतलो पयशाचो अक्षरशः धूळ.
Even Tourism Minister and four-time BJP MLA Dilip Parulekar could not save Porvorim from independent candidate Vaishali Satardekar. BJP's Dhanashri Gadekar lost to Rohan Khaute supported Vaishali Satardekar.
जे एरोगन्स जे यू टर्न जे इनविन्सिबिलिटी आमी उलयत आसा बीजेपी सरकारान जी मतां चडिल्ली जातून आमच्या टुरिजम मिनिस्टरान जे ह्या दिसांनी जे वागणूक आशिल्ली आनी 3 वर्सां बीजेपी सरकार कितें करता ती सारकी पळोवन जे आसा तांचे कौल तांकां दिल्ले आसा.
MLA Kaitu Silva revolted against his own party GVP. He fielded his own candidate Hannibal de Costa. But Churchill Alemão supported Maria Rebelo defeated Hannibal. Banauli seat was a prestige issue for Mickey as Kaitu had posed challenge to GVP's stature.
That MLA, Mr. Kaitu, he has gone openly door to door, kneeling and begging people to work against me. The total panchayats were with him. But it is shame for him that this shows his stand for his next 2017 election, where he stands.
Latambarse, Morji and Sukur results have been a big blow to the BJP for sure. These results have shocked Chief Minister, BJP's Sangathan Mantri and Tourism Minister. But few BJP leaders and independents too are internally happy with the trend. Independents have passed on the message that they wanted to do, and government too is aware of the mood of masses through ZP poll verdict, probably hinting at Parivartan again. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.